Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to work with resource groups in Microsoft Azure. We'll cover how to create, list, open, delete, and lock resource groups using the Azure Portal. A resource group is a logical container that holds related Azure resources like virtual machines, storage accounts, and networks. It helps you manage access, monitor costs, and apply policies efficiently. How to create a resource group. Step 1. Sign in. First, sign into the Azure Portal. Step 2. Open resource groups. From the left-hand menu, select Resource Groups. Step 3. Create. Now click on Create. Step 4. Enter details. Fill in the following details. Select your Azure subscription. Enter a resource group name. Choose a region, for example, Central US. Step 5. Review and Create. Click Review plus Create, and then select Create. Step 6. Confirmation. It takes a few seconds for the resource group to be created. Step 7. Open the resource group. To open it, either refresh the list and select it, or click the notification bell and choose Go to Resource Group. To view all resource groups, simply select Resource Groups from the Azure Portal. You can also customize the view by adding filters and columns, such as location, subscription, or tags. How to open a resource group. To open a resource group, select Resource Groups, and then click on the resource group you want to view. How to delete a resource group. To delete a resource group, open the resource group first. Select Delete Resource Group. Enter the resource group name to confirm, and then delete. How to lock a resource group. Locks help prevent accidental deletion or modification of critical resources. Step 1. Open locks. In the left pane, select Locks. Step 2. Add a lock. Click Add to create a new lock. Step 3. Configure lock. Enter. Lock name. Lock type. Either read-only or delete. Read-only prevents changes, while delete prevents accidental deletion.